Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear learners, welcome to Noyabati Haji Shariatullah Vidyapith online class. Dear learners, let us hear our national anthem.
আমার সোনার বাংলা, আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি। চিরদিন তোমার আকাশ, চিরদিন তোমার আকাশ, তোমার বাতাস আমার প্রাণে। ও মা আমার প্রাণে বাজায় বাঁশি সোনার বাংলা, আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি। ও মা ফাগুনে তোর আবির বনে প্রাণে পাগল করে ফাগুনে তোর আমের বনে ঘ্রাণে পাগল করে। ও মা প্রাণে তোর ভরা পেতে কি দেখেছি, আমি কি দেখেছি মধুর হাসি সোনার বাংলা, আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি। কি শোভা কি ছায়া গো, কি স্নেহ কি মায়া গো, কি আঁচল বিছাইছ বটে মূলে নদীর কূলে কূলে। মা তোর মুখের বাণী আমার কানে লাগে সুধার মতো, মরিহার হায় রে মা তোর মুখের বাণী আমার কানে লাগে সুধার মতো। মা তোর বদন খানি মলিন হলে আমি নয়ন, ও মা আমি নয়ন জলে ভাসি সোনার বাংলা, আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি।
Dear learners, welcome to my class. Dear learners, I am Shahidul Islam, Assistant Teacher, Noyabati Haji Shariatullah Vidyapith, Khalishpur, Khulna. This is class 7, subject English for today. Dear learners, look at the picture and gaze what they are talking about. Dear learners, guess what they are talking about. Dear learners, our today's lesson is waiting for a torch bearer, Unit 4, Lesson 10. Learners, here is learning outcomes. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to ask and answer questions, read and understand text, participate in dialogues and conversations, talk about people, place and event, Match the words with their meaning. This is the learning outcomes. Dear learners, let us try. Dear learners, let us know some keywords. This is poverty. Dear learners, poverty means, this is the meaning of poverty, impoverishment. Towards, meaning flare of a meteor. This is the toss. Responsibility, duty. Dear learners, a TV reporter is interviewing Dr. Mahmoud Hassan about his dream. Read the interview. Look at the TV reporter. He is talking a women. Here is a note for you. MBBS, abbreviation meaning Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. Dear learners, match the words with their meanings. Here, words and meaning: take charge of, poverty, pleasure, responsibility. Take charge of, have control over, poverty, the situation of being poor, pleasure, the feeling of happiness, responsibility, duty. Dear learners, ask and answer the questions. Is the healthcare support free to all? Answer: free healthcare support is only for the very poor people. Number 2, why is the doctor waiting for a torchbearer? Answer: the doctor is waiting for a torchbearer because he is getting old. Who will be in charge of the center? One of the students who got MBBS degree will be in charge of the center. Do you think the money he gets from the patient is enough to run the center? Why do you think so? Dear learners, the answer is, I think the money he gets from the patient is not enough to run the center. I think so because medical instruments are expensive and it costs much, but he gets a few amount from the patient. Dear learners, fill in the gaps with the right forms of verbs given in the box. You can use a word more than once. Here is some keywords: give, choose, do, is, get, help. Let us try to fill up the gaps. I want to dash the poor people. I will dash it to healthcare support to the poor. They do not dash treatment because of poverty. So my dream dash to be a doctor. To dash the poor people, I will dash my village work. Dear learners, let us try to see the answer. Pratama, I want to help the poor people. I will do it to give healthcare support to the poor. They do not get treatment because of poverty. So my dream is to be a doctor. To help the poor people, I will choose my village work. The learners note down the answer. The learner, here is some evaluation. Why do you choose the village for your work? How much does a patient pay for the support? Isn't the work very hard? What is your future plan for the center? Dear learners, here is homework for you. This is a projector. Find a person in your area who is different from others, is giving service to the society. Talk to her or him and prepare a short biography of the person. The learners understand what is the question. It is a projector. At first you have to choose a person, find a person in your area who is different from others, is giving service to the society. Talk to her or him and prepare a short biography of the person. Dear learners, thank you very much. You have to do the work, and dear learners, you will stay home and remain safe.